Hello, we're going to be playing a game called Tab G. Please tell me in the comments if you want me to do an Ancient Warfare 3 or Ravenfield video or Tabs. But Tab G is today's video. Last time we played, we got a sniper shotgun, which I didn't even know that was in the game. After I did, but I've only seen it once. They're one of the mythic ones. Ooh, we're going to play almost immediately. Where do you think we should land? Should we land at... Actually, let's go to Tagner Forest. Never been to Tagner Forest. Forest. Never been to Tagner Forest. Never been to Tagner Forest. Doesn't look like much of a forest. Looks like there are trees put in some random places. Landfall, he didn't do the best at making Tagner Forest. Yeah. I really just don't like Tagner Forest. Zizza. Game starts in 29. Wait, whatever. The Z. What's the Z? What? 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 What is it? What is it? It's up there. A Z thing. What? You're gonna do... I want to do guns. No, wait, I want to do... Now I know that the sniper shotgun. We got an AK. We can't get a kill with this thing. All we have is an AK and dummy. That's just lucky, I just got bazooka. Oh, launchers are good. Bazookas are too. Bazookas, they can dodge. Let's keep... Okay. I'll always take a Colt. Or whatever they are. Let's go in AK. Take all this stuff, but I don't really want to spend too much time here. Yeah, around the circle. Here's the annoying thing that... Where are we? Bazooka or grenade launcher? I choose bazooka. I'll take the ammo, but I don't really need a Dragunov right now. I want to do more close combat. I like get shotguns, I get the Mossberg, and then like never use them. Because I'm like never in close combat. Oh, wait. God. Tech 9. Ooh, ooh. many people are alive. Let's go. Dodge Scat. Going for harbor, I guess. Dodge Scaven. Just loot these houses though. They could have something good. What if one of these houses has a sniper shotgun? I still don't know why we got that at the industry. Thought that you could only get them at that place. There's a car coming. They're going up, wherever that is, going out of the circle. Get what they're doing. Yeah, they're going. Oh wow, we need to get there quick. A motorcycle or something. Why am I prone? I'm like, Or there are 2 bikes. Only take 1 bike. Horrible traffic. This is a physics base. Cars are faster than bikes. I don't care what physics you study. Cars are faster than bikes. It's also rammed into a tree. Back to the bike. Get out of here. Here before somebody finds out there's just a guy on a bicycle and AK-47 riding in ruins. Hope no one ever finds that out. Just them that fault. God, there's a big lake. Not charge. To get it, we need to get on that raft. Work? I don't know what to say. But that don't work. I have one thing to say, but you're welcome. That was a big. Oh, I'm in the circle. Let's get to big work too. I dropped my bazooka since when? Let's go loot that house. It's like Fortnite, those little sheds. So good. Nobody loots them. Sit there. And when I loot them, they're like full of great. And the bike. Yep. Either somebody died here, or it's just giving me great loot. I don't know what happened in here. There's a ton of ammo. Oh, I want my AK. Oh wow. Red dot on bazooka. Heavy barrel on an AK. Basically make my AK a sniper. Get in the bike. Get in the chopper. Why won't it let me drive this thing? Whatever. Ow. Ride for your life. I'm actually safe. But no. Still I'm safe. This is the big work. Oh wow, this is 10 minutes long. Hit button, stop us. And we'll do part 2 next